Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to Pro Traders Path. I'm back with another video, and this is a very short video and very funny one as well. And you wait until the end of the video. I hope you will find some valuable lessons from here. However, what I'm gonna show you here, please don't try this at home, okay? You saw the dangerous acts that people do on television or other platforms. There is a disclaimer. Then don't try this at home. It's exactly the same thing. Don't try this at home, okay? I knew there was the news, there was CPI and other stuff during the London Open, okay, like core CPI, year to year, month to month, things like that. The report after 8:30 that gonna come. But the problem here is I found the setup. I was waiting for the setup for a long time, very long time. As you can see, I'm referring to the Asia session equal low that I was anticipating to take entry from. But unfortunately, price took the liquidity first, then came back for the fair value gap retracement. If you see what I'm marking over here, if you go to 15 minutes, things will be clear to you. So on the 15 minutes chart, that fair value was not tested or retested or refilled or rebalanced, however you want to call it. It was never done that. Price has never done that. Although price is creating huge bullish move or something, and it's respecting the recent bullish fair value gaps. You see my breaker block line that I have drawn over there. That is where I entered, okay? And yes, due to the news, it was a crazy move, but what it did first is what makes me the best gambler on earth, okay? I'm the best gambler on earth. I talked about it on my yesterday's video, or the video I have uploaded before this one. If you missed that one, you will understand what I'm trying to amplify, or what I'm trying to show you guys here. That the precision that I showed you yesterday, that's not for a day, okay? That's not for one or two entries that I'm showing you guys. And since this is my TradeOvet account, or this is the account I trade with Top Step, the funded account, I took that entry. I targeted wherever the take profit should be, okay? The first thing is price already took those equal lows. Okay, it took those equal lows. There were lots of equal lows over the Asia low, like at the same level, but still I knew that it didn't retrace to the 15 minutes fair value yet. So if it retraces the recent swing low that it created before retracing, that will be its minimum target, and that's why I targeted the closest liquidity possible with that swing low, okay? There was another level, and here you can see, like, I'm showing you if it's premium or discount. Although I forgot to write or premium during recording this video, trust me when I'm saying this, I recorded the video live, but since I recorded with the snipping tools, Windows snipping tools, I forgot to save that damn video, and as a result I have to do or redo the entire video with replay mode. It's easier because the video is getting shorter, although I'm pointing and marking at a lot of things, and this is the dangerous move that I was talking about, that don't try this at home, okay? Now I'm lucky, yes and no. Why I'm saying this is because price went higher. Yeah, the move was a huge move. Even in 1 minute it was crazy. Like, look how far it went. It's like in a single candle it gave more than, I think, 50.5 or 25, something like that, $50 move in one single candle, which is, if you calculate in handles or something, so 0.25, each 0.25 is one handle. So in that case, 0.25, it gave 50.75. So there is like 203 handles in one single 1 minute candle, I guess, if not 2 minutes, in one single candle. So yes, in that sense I'm lucky. But what I said before, even during my live streaming, is price, whatever fair value it is respecting, it will go above or below that fair value. Okay, it will take that liquidity before the opposite run or whatever it is. So you saw like there are few bullish fair value gaps that it's respecting, and where did the next move went? It went above that level. Again there is a bullish fair value that it respecting, again price went above. But in like, although price was showing this, I know that from my observation, okay, is this something that ICT told or talked about? Maybe, I'm not sure, because this is my own observation, that whatever fair value price is respecting, from the level it is coming there, it gonna take that liquidity first before going any other places. Okay, even if it wants to continue to the upside, it gonna take the previous swing high from where it came to the fair value and then retraced or started going towards the level that it should go, but it should take that liquidity first. I hope you got my point. In this case, the 15 minutes fair value was never rebalanced or retested. That's why I targeted that 15 minutes fair value that aligns with my premium area, also the bearish breaker block. And as you can see, like, I didn't enter at the bottom of the 15 minutes fair value. I entered on the high of that bearish breaker block. There is another confluence over there as well. If you go to 1 minute or 2 minute, you will see there is another fair value aligning beautifully over there, and that's what I'm saying over and over again. Focus on the common area. And yes, it took me around 10 minutes. I first said like 5 minutes, but then I realized the 5 candles that I was counting, it's actually on 2 minutes candle. So 2 minutes candle is 10 minutes. So yeah, it took me 10 minutes to grab that profit, and it was a huge profit for me. I'm lucky, I don't know, but yes, I'm the best gambler on earth. And you saw my entry position. From there, price first took the sell side liquidity, then went higher. So yeah, until next time, take care, bye bye.